In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up, create Insightly CRM account. By the end, you'll have a brand new Insightly workspace ready to use, and you'll understand what each screen is asking for so you can breeze through setup with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for Insightly. In the results, look for the official Insightly CRM site. It typically reads Insightly CRM Modern Scalable Customer Relationship. Open that result to land on the home page. On the Insightly homepage, find and click Try CRM for free. This begins the trial flow and takes you to the account creation page. When you reach the sign up options, choose Sign Up with Google. Using a work Google account helps keep business and personal data separate. If you're already signed into Google, select the account you want to use. If prompted, complete the standard Google sign in and consent screens so Insightly can create your profile. You'll be redirected to an Insightly confirmation page where you'll set a few basics. First, select your preferred language. Pick the language your team uses day to day so menus, templates, and help tips feel natural for everyone. Next, select your region. Choose the location that's closest to where your team primarily operates. This can improve performance and may influence where your data is stored, which is helpful for compliance and speed. Click Create your account to move into the Setup wizard. Now add your organization name. This is the name that appears across your CRM on dashboards and in documents. Use the official company or project name you want teammates and clients to see. Don't worry, you can adjust it later if needed. Select the number of people in your organization. This helps Insightly tune defaults and recommendations, such as user limits and pipeline suggestions. If you're not sure, pick the closest range based on who will realistically use the CRM in the near term. Choose your organization's industry from the list. This lets Insightly tailor fields, sample pipelines, and reports that match your line of work, saving you time during configuration. Enter your business phone number. Provide a reliable number your team uses for company communications so account-related notifications reach you when needed. When everything looks good, click Let's Go. Insightly will finalize your workspace and open your new dashboard. To finish, invite your team. Enter your colleagues' work email addresses so they receive invitations to join your Insightly account. Adding teammates early helps you assign leads, share contacts, and collaborate on opportunities right away. And that's it. Your Insightly CRM account is created and ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new setup.